Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to check unarchived or archived chats in ChatGPT. Now, this is going to be a very quick video, so the key here would be creating a ChatGPT account. As you can see right there, I have a dummy Gmail connected with ChatGPT, and I'm currently accessing it as of now. Even though I'm using the free plan for personal and business, I am still logged in because that is the key point on saving, archiving, and unarchiving any chats in ChatGPT. You're gonna need to log in. Alright? So for example, I have chats on the left side right here. So I have today, yesterday, previous 7 days, previous 30 days, April and March, January and 2024, everything is in here. Even though 2023 is gonna be here. Alright? Now, how can I archive this one? So first, I'm gonna hover my mouse on the chats I want, and three dots right there gives me the option to share, rename, or archive. Because if I click on this right here, it will go back on the previous chat. Alright? Moving forward on the three dots right there, or if I click on new chat first, give me a second here. I'm gonna go back and refresh the screen here. So I'm gonna have a new chat moving forward. Now, if I click on the three dots right there, there is rename and archive. So archive gives me the option to archive the chat. Now, where can I check the chat that I archived? So everything here under yesterday will be under archive first. Alright? Now, where can I check them? So go to your profile right here, go to settings. You're going to have an option that says here archive chats or archive all chats. In here, you can archive everything or you can manage the ones you have archived. As you can see, I've selected 4, wherein I can unarchive the conversation by simply clicking on this button or directly deleting the conversation as it is. It's gonna be easy as that. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.